Hello guys, my name is Yuvraj Rai and this is my super first video as a tutorial for you guys. This tutorial is about how to install macOS X High Sierra 10.13 and Windows VMware Workstation. For this, first of all, you need to have macOS X High Sierra 10.13 as image. You can get from this URL. The IS image is here. You can click and download it. You can see here it is downloading. After downloading macOS X High Sierra 10.13, you need to have Apple ID. Okay guys, let's start. First, you need to have new virtual machine on your VMware Workstation. Give a setting typical, and you can choose later the as file, but as I have already downloaded it on my PC, I'm choosing this ISO file now. And this ISO file, after choosing this ISO file, it declares OS X version and type itself automatically, like you can see here, Apple Mac OS X and Mac OS 10.13. You can see different versions of Mac OS X. Next, let's give the name for OS X folder, which will be installed on virtual machine to operate the system. And the virtual machine location will be here inside the document and virtual machine, and name will be similar as we have typed. Next, now you need to choose each virtual disk as a single file. If you choose splitted virtual disk, it will fix 5 GB only for primary drive, so we are choosing here single file drive. Okay, let's finish it now. Okay guys, now we are going to install our Mac OS High Sierra 10.13 OS X on our virtual workstation. Here you can see power on this virtual machine. Click on this option. You can expand your screen mode from the top of virtual machine. The OS X already processed, and you need to choose language for your system here and click on next. Okay guys, so here you can see different options. Before installing Mac OS X, you need to mount your disk on your system. So let's go to the disk utilities. And here you can see different options, different disk partitions, but you never see as default your main partition, main disk storage. So to see all the storage, you need to check your view and you have to show all devices. So you can see here your VMware virtual SATA hard drive media, and here, as we have said before, it has 42.95 GB, and you have to make this clear. It means, you have to erase it to mount it on macOS X. So you can give it disk name here. After erasing this disk, you can get proper mounted disk here for my macOS X. Now you can close this option, and now you can install macOS. Continue. Let's continue. You have to agree all the terms and conditions of macOS X. Agree. Here you can see your mounted disk of your virtual machine, 42.61 GB total. It means some little bit spaces have used in cache system. So choose this disk and install. Okay guys, finally we are at the end of installation, and OS X is opening its system. Here you need to choose your country. I'm choosing Nepal. Continue. Then you need to choose keyboard layout. You can view all the keyboard layout types, but it is easy and better to choose default layout. So I'm choosing ABC layout and continue. So here you can see different options. But you have to choose don't transfer any information now. Here, as I have mentioned previously, you have to use your Apple ID. And then press continue. It will send the code on your device which already have your Apple ID installed and accessed. Here you can see the permission is asking on my iPhone, which has been sent from installing PC. Now I have to press allow. Now you can see after pressing allow, here you can see security code. It has been given to us, and now I'm going to put this code on my PC to access. To continue, now you have to agree with terms and conditions. You can set password for user. Your user name will be Yuvraj Rai. Like you can set your name like this. Allow my Apple ID to reset this password. Okay, continue. Here you have to continue. Remove the tick. This option is to files from document and desktop in iCloud drive. If you want to keep that, you can check that option. Continue. Now here we go. macOS High Sierra 10.13 is installed. You can see its information here. Okay, for more detail, for more information, you can comment below. Thank you for watching, guys.